Imagine watching the far future unfold. Not in decades, not in centuries, but in thousands, millions, and even trillions of years. Imagine seeing the moment humanity evolves into something unrecognizable, the day Earth becomes a world we would never survive on, the moment the sun swells into a giant star, and the slow, silent death of the universe itself. The most mind-bending part? We will miss all of it. Every event, every transformation, every cosmic shift. Today, we are traveling through a timeline so massive that it stretches far beyond the human lifespan, far beyond civilization, and far beyond the existence of Earth itself. This is the full story of the future, long after humanity is gone. Welcome back to Vibverse, the home of smart, viral, daily content where we explore the biggest mysteries of time, space, technology, and the future. If you love mind-blowing facts that shift your perspective, cosmic timelines that challenge human imagination, and futuristic journeys that make you feel small in the most beautiful way, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, join the Vibverse family, and let's explore the unbelievable events that will happen long after we are gone. Because understanding the future is the closest we can get to understanding the destiny of the universe. 2100. The world we just missed be the year 2100. Earth will already look different. Climate change will reshape coastlines. Cities will move inland. Extreme weather will be routine, and sea levels will be noticeably higher. Humanity will likely rely heavily on renewable energy, artificial intelligence, gene editing, and advanced medicine. The world of 2100 will still recognize us, but it won't be ours anymore. 2500. A planet unrecognizable be 2500. Earth's geography will be changing. Many modern nations may no longer exist in their current form, and the world map will be dramatically different. Technology will be far beyond anything we can imagine today. Climate stabilization projects, megacities, and space habitats could be normal. Human biology might also evolve through genetic engineering, making future humans healthier, stronger, and possibly smarter than us. Civilization will likely extend across the Moon, Mars, and possibly moons of Jupiter. 10,000 cities and cultures fade away be 10,000 years into the future. Almost everything humans built today will be gone. Our languages, cultures, buildings, and borders will disappear. Human evolution will be noticeable. Future humans may have different physical features, adapted to new environments, new climates, or even new planets. 100,000 stars move, and the sky changes at 100,000 years. The constellations will no longer look the same. Stars drift across the sky as they orbit the galaxy, reshaping the patterns our ancestors once named. Nearby stars like Gliese 710 may pass dangerously close to our solar system, sending comets into chaotic orbits. The night sky will be familiar, yet alien. Humanity may be spread across many star systems by now, or may no longer exist at all. 1 million Earth's face changes forever. In 1 million years, Earth's continents will shift enough to change coastlines worldwide. Human civilization, if it survives, will be unimaginably different, likely post-biological, digital, interstellar, or something we cannot even describe with human language. Nature will erase every trace of modern humanity. 10 million Earth heals. Humanity is myth. In 10 million years, Earth will be a completely natural planet again. No skyscrapers, no highways, no human artifacts. All remnants of modern civilization will be dust. The continents will have drifted significantly. A new supervolcano may have erupted, wiping out any remaining signs of human history. If humanity or its descendants exist, they are now cosmic travelers, exploring far beyond the solar system. 100 million. The first supercontinent. 100 million years from now, Earth's continents may merge into a new supercontinent. The climate will change dramatically, oceans will shift, ecosystems will transform, and life will go through massive evolution. Dinosaurs once ruled a supercontinent. New dominant species will rise again. Humans will be long gone or advanced into forms unrecognizable from the beings we are today. 600 million the end of photosynthesis. 600 million years, Earth's plants will begin to die. As the sun gradually brightens, carbon dioxide levels will fall to the point where photosynthesis becomes impossible. Earth becomes a hot, barren planet long before the sun becomes a giant star. 1 billion the oceans begin to boil in 1 billion years. The sun's increasing heat will cause Earth's oceans to evaporate. The planet becomes a dry desert world, uninhabitable for all complex life. Any human descendants would have left Earth millions of years earlier. This is the beginning of Earth's slow death. 5 billion the sun transforms 5 billion years from now. The sun swells into a red giant, growing large enough to engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. The solar system as we know it ends. The sun will then collapse into a white dwarf, a tiny, hot stellar core glowing faintly in the darkness. Our sun's glory fades forever. 100,000,000,000 galaxies drift apart. In 100 billion years, cosmic expansion will push galaxies so far apart that distant galaxies disappear from view completely. Future beings, if they exist, will be unable to see any galaxies beyond their own. They may never know that the universe once held trillions of galaxies. 1,000,000,000,000,000,000. The stars begin to die after 1 trillion years. New stars stop forming. The fuel needed to create stars runs out. The universe becomes a dim, fading place where old, dying stars are the only source of light. 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000. The last stars fatty in 100 trillion years. Even long-lasting red dwarf stars burn out. The universe becomes dark, cold, and starless. Black dwarfs, frozen remains of dead stars, fill the cosmic void. This era is known as the degenerate age. 10 years black holes die over unimaginable timescales. Even black holes evaporate through Hawking radiation. One by one, they dissolve into nothing. No stars, no planets, no galaxies. Only thin particles scattered across an almost empty universe. Heat death, the final future. In the end, the universe reaches maximum entropy, no energy left to power stars, life, or movement. This is the heat death of the universe. A silent, frozen, endless darkness. The final future we will never witness. Conclusion. So these are the future events we will miss, a timeline stretching from the next century to the end of everything. A story so vast that humanity only occupies the tiniest fraction of it. We exist in a rare, bright, warm chapter of cosmic history, a time when stars shine, planets live, and life can thrive. Thank you for traveling across trillions of years with Vibverse. If this journey expanded your mind, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more smart, viral, daily content. The future is huge. The universe is bigger, and the story has only just begun.